Hey everyone, did you know that milk is a powerhouse of nutrition? Let's dive into its incredible nutritional value in just 60 seconds. First up, protein. Milk contains high-quality protein with all 9 essential amino acids, great for muscle growth and repair. Next, we have calcium, a key player for strong bones and teeth. Just 1 cup of milk provides about 30% of your daily calcium needs. And let's not forget vitamin D. This vitamin helps your body absorb calcium, making it essential for bone health. Milk is also rich in B vitamins like B12 and riboflavin, which support energy metabolism and brain health. Plus, it's a great source of potassium, which helps maintain healthy blood pressure. Finally, let's talk about healthy fats. Whole milk contains beneficial fatty acids that support heart health. So whether you drink it straight, pour it on cereal, or use it in cooking, milk is a fantastic addition to your diet. Remember to choose the type of milk that fits your lifestyle and enjoy all the nutritional goodness it has to offer. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips.